Is it inappropriate to be videotaping this?
Tape it all, tape it. Keep taping.
Oh shit, I just peed myself.
He's angry.
Oh my god.
He's exhausted.
Oh my god.
If anyone sees him from the other windows. Oh God in heaven, what a freak.
Oh my god. It's on top of it now.
Oh, he'll do it till it's done. Oh,
After
God.
2 minutes, I'm done.
I haven't laughed out in so long.
I haven't either.
What a freak.
No, imagine it starts going.
Oh my God.
He's actually reading. He's like,
Yo, Mom, what if he gets it going and he starts going away?
You are a loser, man.
He'll be back. Shut the door, shut the door, shut the door. Hey, look at me. Would you like to tell us your name? Is it going? Oh yeah.
Daddy don't need no new lawnmower.